significant weather advisory for northern Erath, southern Denton, Parker, Tarrant, southern Palo, Pinto, western Collin, northern Dallas and Hood counties until 7:30 a.m. At 6:57 a.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Little Elm to near Gordon. Movement was southeast at 35 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles an hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Rowlett, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, and Haltom City.